Alright, what's up everybody? Welcome to another episode of Survival Guys, and today we're doing another gear review, and today it's going to be some outdoor pots, if you know what I mean. A frying pan, a cup, a plate, and a pot. So first, I'm going to rank this because I recently got this. I haven't used it yet, so we're going to rank this 1 out of 10, or 1 through 10, 10 being the best. So we're going to go through this and check it out. So first we're going to start out with the little bag that it comes with. It's pretty good. The rope isn't stretchy, which is nice because sometimes it tends to be stretchy and that can just make it a lot more stressful because it doesn't stay as tight. And the bag seems like pretty good quality. So when I actually bought this, I did not know it came with this, so that's an extra bonus. First we're going to start out with the frying pan. So we got the frying pan, and this is all definitely cheap quality because I got it for 25 bucks maybe at Walmart. But for what it looks like, I haven't watched it yet. If you get one of these, you should. Stainless steel. Anyways, for what I got it for, a lot of it's pretty good. So we got the frying pan. It has the handle here, and then you go like this. Oh, no, not like that. But you get the point, and then you can fold it up. So then you got the lock here. So it's pretty good. Sorry, I got a stuffy nose. I feel like maybe if I just wanted a frying pan, I could definitely get a cheaper one. Well, maybe slightly cheaper for better quality. But it's not 20 bucks for this. It's 20 bucks for this and this. So I'm going to rank, so I forgot to mention this, but I'm going to rank each item and then the whole thing. So this is going to be, I would put this maybe at a 9 out of 10 because it's pretty good quality. Comes with some rope, like I said, so that would help out a little bit. And then this, I'd probably get it maybe a 6.5, because I feel like they could make this a little bit better. For example, the lock doesn't stay locked a whole lot very well. And this is actually used for something else, which I'm not gonna, for what it's also used for, I'm not going to rank. For the frying pan, I'm going to rank for the other item. So we're gonna set that over there. Item number 2 or 3 would be a cup or a mug, plastic, that is also a measuring cup. So when you first look at this, it's really good. It's got a little hole here that you can clip it on to something. So I would personally rank this a 9 out of 10 because it's really nice. It's pretty durable. It's just a nice thing to have. But it says on the box, it said it's also a measuring cup. And the measuring cup, without water, you can hardly see it. It's right here, but so I feel like that's one thing that would be a little tough. I know it's not clear, so you wouldn't be able to do it, but I feel like if you're gonna have it a measuring cup, maybe have it a different color, so that way you can actually see it. And for that reason, I'm gonna bring it down to maybe an 8 out of 10, which is still pretty good. But item number 4 is the plate, which I think in the box it said it's a bowl, but it is more like a bowl plate, if you know what I mean. Because it's like a bowl, but it's not as deep as a bowl. And it's like a plate, it's just a little deeper than a plate. But I think this is pretty good quality. It's pretty durable. It's not, I feel like you could easily get marks on it. If you use a metal spoon or something, you can maybe get marks on it and start scraping it up. Which I feel like that'd be something for all of this. But I'm with this, maybe a 7 out of 10, because you could also just use a frying pan. But if you were using this for something else, because the frying pan could get hot, and I would not recommend using that. But this is pretty handy to have. Alright, the last item, item number 5, is the pot. Now this is probably one of the best items because the handles are easy to do it like this. All the handles for the frying pan in this are rubber. So this is really nice because it feels like great quality. It's nice and durable. The handles feel great. And it's just nice, deep. Another thing, if you're like, why doesn't it come with a lid? Well, the frying pan pretty much acts out like a lid. Sorry, everyone. Oh, I forgot about that because that's on me. That's not a product, that's customer. So, and as you can see, you could even use a handle or a kitchen mitt or whatever you want to call it. It goes easily like that for a lid. So, I think this is a great product. All of this combined. I think for what it's worth, I feel like maybe they could lower the price that down a little bit. Otherwise, it's a great product. GSI Outdoors. They're not sponsors or anything like that, but this is where I got them from. And it's pretty good. For the price, it's pretty good. I haven't used it yet, but I should use it soon. So, real quick, go ahead and smash that like button and the subscribe button if you're not already subscribed. We're trying to post videos weekly. We're trying to start actually doing videos weekly and not just shorts. But follow us for more survival tips and survival stuff. Later this summer, we're going to be releasing a lot more hoping to release a lot more outdoor content, not just in a room like this. So yeah, maybe in some of those videos you'll see this stuff. So see you on our next adventure.